Jesus Christ. So, what are the identifying marks? How to identify the church of Jesus Christ? Okay. Number one, through the founder. The church that Jesus Christ had built, no other. Matthew chapter 16. Matthew chapter 16, verse 18.